Engagez-vous sur le terrain, n'ayez surtout pas peur de vous tromper. Et sachez qu'avec un peu de bienveillance, on doit pouvoir s'en sortir. Donc encore une fois, bravo à toutes et à tous, bon week-end de séminaire. Et puis surtout, sachez qu'en comptant les uns sur les autres, vous devrez y arriver sans aucune difficulté. Merci.
These 25 members of La République En Marche have no political experience, just a desire to get behind Emmanuel Macron. Chosen for their civic projects, the party will help them accomplish their plans over the next 6 months. It's their second seminar. They're going to brainstorm on how to persuade and gather people. Supervising the session, a business coach.
Donc on a impact,
fédéré
et altérité.
Vi is a lawyer. She wants to create a site to help women who are victims of workplace violence and to encourage them to take action. She's been named the group's spokesperson.
On pense qu'un projet réussi doit inspirer les autres. Et enfin, de la bienveillance, parce que pour s'engager, il faut avoir des valeurs et ne pas faire de compromis sur celles-ci.
Similarly, Paul, a boilermaker, is making the most out of the program to expand his network and develop confidence.
Ça m'a mis pas mal de freins. J'ai eu une scolarité chaotique. Quand je rentrais chez moi, je construisais des villes en Lego et tout est parti de rêves, en fait, tout simplement.
He has to present his idea, which combines training, supporting small businesses, and the sale of farm produce. They're all guided by a mentor, usually a parliamentarian like Stanislas Guérini, an entrepreneur and founding member of En Marche who became an MP.
The idea for this movement is to become like a toolbox, where citizens find all the help they need when they commit to a cause. That's the promise we made, that citizens be the ones in power.
Created 2 years ago, the En Marche machine includes 308 MPs, but not a single local councillor. It has 2 years to create the future champions of the next municipal elections.
Notre adversaire n'est pas la grande masse des journalistes. Notre adversaire, c'est le système médiatique, c'est-à-dire les grands médias privés des oligarques et les grands médias publics convertis aux mêmes idées.
In their third lecture, La France Insoumise puts forth its vision of the media. Introducing it is Thomas Guénolé. Last August, the political commentator rallied behind Jean-Luc Mélenchon's party. The party's head of digital communication also targets public groups managed by political figures and denounces mainstream media's financial and editorial dependence on them.
Parmi les 10 premières fortunes de France, on observe qu'au moins 6 ont investi dans les médias, lesquels Arnaud, Bettencourt, Dassault, Drahi, Niel et Pinault. On a donc globalement un paysage dans les médias publics qui est très lié au monde politique et dont on doute qu'il puisse assurer un contre-pouvoir réel.
The school and the party are favorable to journalists but opposed to big shareholders and concerned about independence, except when France 24 brought up the link between La France Insoumise and Le Média, a leftist internet news channel which has seen a string of departures.
Il y a beaucoup de personnalités qui sont liées à la France Insoumise qui interviennent régulièrement dans ce média.
Qu'il y ait des journalistes qui soient engagés, oui, et c'est pas forcément un problème, à partir du moment où le média affirme une logique éditoriale qui est de porter une ligne progressiste, humaniste, sociale, écologiste.
Antoine Léaumont from La France Insoumise denies any partisan affiliation with Le Média. According to organizers, 37,000 people have taken this voluntary course, the highest participation recorded by the school since its creation in January. Educating the masses. The Communist Party has been doing so since its inception. From 1924, it established a central school for its managers and activists. But financial and political difficulties have forced it to cut costs. In 2004, the Draveil Center was sold to a foundation. In its place, the party offers shorter courses but with the same end result.
If we want future communist leaders to resemble the whole of society, then there's really a need for these training sessions, not only technical aspects, but also in terms of knowledge of history, the history of the French Revolution, the history of the labor movement. There's also philosophy, dialectic, concepts such as materialism, Marx, of course, but not only.
Just like traditional parties, the French Communist Party is aware that it's been overtaken by the new political movements, and it wants to catch up. The Republicans and the Socialists also want to start their own school.